Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 KTM 390 Duke. This bike has really got a lot of curb appeal. Single cylinder 390, fuel injected, liquid cooled, naked. It's got the really cool trellis frame, the orange wheels, only 1,894 miles. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. I don't have to say much, just look at this thing, it's awesome. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.